When it comes to being a vegan and breastfeeding, there are a few key nutrition tips to keep in mind to ensure that both you and your baby are getting the nutrients you need. Breastfeeding is a beautiful and natural way to nourish your baby, but it also requires a lot of energy and nutrients from the mother. As a vegan, it's important to pay extra attention to your diet to make sure you're getting all the essential nutrients for both you and your baby. One of the most important nutrients for breastfeeding mothers is protein. Protein is essential for the growth and development of your baby, as well as for maintaining your own energy levels. As a vegan, you can get protein from a variety of plant-based sources, such as beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, quinoa, and nuts and seeds. It's important to include a variety of these protein sources in your diet to ensure you're getting all the essential amino acids your body needs. Another important nutrient for breastfeeding mothers is calcium. Calcium is essential for building strong bones and teeth in both you and your baby. As a vegan, you can get calcium from plant-based sources such as leafy green vegetables, almonds, fortified plant milks, and tofu. It's important to include these calcium-rich foods in your diet to ensure you're meeting your daily calcium needs. Iron is another important nutrient for breastfeeding mothers, as iron deficiency can lead to fatigue and low energy levels. As a vegan, you can get iron from plant-based sources such as lentils, beans, tofu, quinoa, and fortified cereals. It's important to include these iron-rich foods in your diet and to pair them with vitamin C-rich foods such as citrus fruits, bell peppers, and strawberries to enhance iron absorption. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for brain development in infants, so it's important for breastfeeding mothers to include sources of these healthy fats in their diet. As a vegan, you can get omega-3 fatty acids from sources such as flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and hemp seeds. It's important to include these omega-3 rich foods in your diet to ensure you're getting an adequate intake of these essential fats. Vitamin B12 is another important nutrient for breastfeeding mothers, as it plays a key role in energy production and nerve function. Vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal products, so it's important for vegans to include fortified foods such as plant milks, cereals, and nutritional yeast in their diet. It's also recommended for breastfeeding mothers to take a B12 supplement to ensure they're meeting their daily needs. In addition to these key nutrients, it's important for breastfeeding mothers to stay hydrated and to eat a well-balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and plant-based proteins. It's also important to listen to your body and eat when you're hungry, as breastfeeding can increase your energy needs. It's also important for breastfeeding mothers to take care of themselves and to prioritize self-care. Breastfeeding can be demanding both physically and emotionally, so it's important to make time for yourself and to ask for help when you need it. It's also important to get plenty of rest, to stay active, and to practice stress-reducing activities such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. In conclusion, being a vegan and breastfeeding can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience, but it also requires careful attention to your diet and nutrition. By including a variety of plant-based foods in your diet and paying attention to key nutrients such as protein, calcium, iron, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin B12, you can ensure that both you and your baby are getting the nutrients you need. Remember to prioritize self-care, stay hydrated, and listen to your body's needs. Breastfeeding is a beautiful journey, and with the right nutrition and support, you can nourish your baby while taking care of yourself.